It is difficult to predict which websites will be the best for earning money in 2022, as the landscape of online earning opportunities is constantly evolving and there are many factors that can influence their success. Some websites that have been popular for earning money online in the past include Swagbucks, a website that rewards users for taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. Survey Junkie, a website that pays users for taking surveys. User Testing, a website that pays users to test websites and apps and provide feedback. Fiverr, a website that allows users to offer their services, such as writing, design, or marketing, to clients. Upwork, a website that connects freelancers with clients looking for their services. Airbnb, a website that allows users to rent out their homes or apartments to travelers. Etsy, a website that allows users to sell handmade or vintage items. eBay, a website that allows users to buy and sell a wide variety of items. Amazon Mechanical Turk, a website that pays users to complete small tasks. Patreon, a website that allows users to receive recurring payments from supporters for their creative work. It is important to note that earning money online requires effort and dedication, and there is no guarantee of success. It is always a good idea to research any website or opportunity before participating.